AWS Secrets Manager. AWS Secrets Manager enables you to replace hard-coded credentials in your code, including passwords, with an API call to Secrets Manager to retrieve the secret programmatically. This helps ensure the secret can't be compromised by someone examining your code, because the secret no longer exists in the code. Typically, you would embed credentials in your application code to access and retrieve information from a database. Based on your organizational policies, you would rotate the credentials and update the application code with the new credentials, and then deploy the updated application. Imagine if you had multiple applications, then you would have to repeat the process as many times as the number of applications. This repetitive process can be eliminated by configuring Secrets Manager to automatically rotate the secret for you, according to a specified schedule. You can manage secrets such as database credentials, on-premises resource credentials, SaaS application credentials, third-party API keys, and SSH keys. Secrets Manager Scenario. Use of Secrets Manager to store credentials for a database, and then use those credentials in an application to access the database. Step 1. The database administrator creates a set of credentials on the database for use by an application called MyApp. The administrator also configures those credentials with the permissions required for the application to access the database. Step 2. The database administrator stores the credentials as a secret in Secrets Manager as MyApp creds. Then, Secrets Manager encrypts and stores the credentials within the secret as the protected secret text. Step 3. When MyApp accesses the database, the application queries Secrets Manager for the secret named MyApp creds. Step 4. Secrets Manager retrieves the secret, decrypts the protected secret text, and returns the secret to the client app over a secured channel. Step 5. The client application passes the credentials, connection string, and any other required information from the response, and then uses the information to access the database server. Users of Secret Manager. IT administrators use Secrets Manager as a secure and scalable method to store and manage secrets. Security administrators, responsible for meeting regulatory and compliance requirements, use Secrets Manager to monitor secrets and rotate secrets without a risk of impacting applications. Developers who want to replace hard-coded secrets in their applications can retrieve secrets programmatically from Secrets Manager. Thank you.